LA. Shortcut key for the layers is LA. ठीक है? Or you can click on the layer properties like this. So you just click on this button to create new layers, or you can type Alt plus N, or you can use shortcut key from the keyboard Alt plus N, right? So you can click on the new button. See, one layer is created, layer 1. So you can name it as wall 9-inch, right? And now you can change the color of your wall. Now this is your green color, right?
Okay.
So we have to change the 3 properties. First is the color of your object. Second one is line type of your object. And the third one is your line weight. So that's not compulsory to change each and everything, but you can change as per your requirement, right? Okay. If you want to create a center line, so you can click another wall and type as the center line, named as the center line, and give the name color as this one, and choose the line type as center line. There is the there is the one line only, the continuous line. You can click on the load. Here we
Center
have
line
the
means partition line, sir.
Center line means your center line diagram.
Okay.
You can click on the load button, and in here we have the center line. So this is your center line. Click on OK. Select this and click on OK. Right? Okay. Again, now click on the layers and click give the name as door, and choose this is your door color, right? And again, new, this is your window, and this is your window color, right? And again, dimension, choose as the red color for the dimensions, and again new hedge part, and the provide hedge color is this, right? And text, for text you choose this dark green color, right? So as usual, you can create many of your layers from the layer 2. In the starting, you will create your layers, right? After creating these layers, you can click on this close button. Now all the layers will be shown to here. Now you want to draw a center line diagram, right? So you can select your center line and you have to draw your like this. So this is your center line diagram of your plan, right? So you can draw like this. So this is called a working plan also.
Okay. Can we draw out of that original, sir?
Sorry?
Can we draw working plan out of that original, sir? So like X and Y, which in not any restrictions within that, sir?
Yes, you can.
We can draw out of it also.
Yes, You have this big screen. Anywhere you can draw it.
I thought we have to draw within that X and Y.
No, no, no. Everywhere you can draw it.
So, once the diagram is ready, later on we can apply layer on that.
Yeah, it is possible also.
Is that fine?
Okay. Now I'm going to draw a wall, right? So you can choose your wall also from here and provide your wall thickness like this. So see, as you see that I this is in draw in the partition wall. Oh, sorry, center line, right?
Yes.
And you can select your wall, this walls. First, this is the just wait. Okay, I'm just again I am you can draw object like this because this is the center line. That's why you can both the sides. Right now you can change this wall into the your wall layers like this. You can select the lines and click on the wall layers, or you can have an option of match layer. This is your match layer. Select your object. So this is your objects, right? And press enter and click your destination walls like this. You can also change this, and we have match property also from here. You can select source object, and select all the destination layers like this. And see, now you can easily see that the walls and the all the other things will be shown to you, right or wrong? Radius 0 and trim also trim. Multiple option. You can join like this. And remove all the bars.
Which command is used to join corners, sir?
Fill it
Let.
with 0 radius.
Okay, sir. Why do we use the central line, sir, between that 9-inch wall?
Just for to draw center line diagram. That's not compulsory,
Okay.
but I make to understand that you can draw like this also.
So it is not any necessity also, sir.
Yes, this is not necessary, but you can have this for your working plan also. It is helpful while you
laying
place.
column foundation.
Yes, it is helpful for your foundation plan and your uh,
Columns.
columns and
Yeah.
beams also, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why you can use it.
Sir, we can use layers commands sir after drawing with construction line.
That's why this is the example where I can draw this first from the center line, and after that I will change the center line to wall.
No, sir. If we draw first by taking center line without appearing for command for layers, afterwards we can change
Yes,
in layer.
it is possible. See, this circle is drawn in which layer?
Wall.
Wall. Right, Rohit?
Yeah, sir.
You can select it, go to the layer and select that layer in which you want to draw this, like this.
Okay.
Right?
What was his question, sir?
That is this for his question is, if I draw a object in any other layer,
Okay.
but I want to change the layer after drawing,
Okay.
you can select your object, go to the layer and choose your layer in which you want to draw this.
In confusion, if we
After that you can change it, no problem. Right? Now you want to specify the dimensions, so you can choose your dimension layer, and from here you have to specify all the dimensions like this. Right? Then continue. So you can like this. Right? So you can see all the each and everything will shown to you differently. Now if you want to specify a text, you can choose your text layer and activate the text, and you can write the text here. Bedroom. Right?
Yes, sir.
And click here.
Sir, will you repeat once again, sir? Due to
Bedroom.
network, it is
Sorry?
due to network problem. I got disconnected, sir. So will you repeat once again, sir? The dimension.
Okay. So you can choose your dimension layer from here and
Okay.
apply your dimensions
Okay.
like this.
First, we have to mention the layer, then we have to go for dimensions.
Yes. First you select your pen, in which
Yes.
color you want to write.
Okay, in that case.
So you can choose your layer from here. After that you are take your command and place it here.
Okay.
Right? Like this.
Text.
Like this. Right? So you can place a furniture also. If you have here some furniture layer, you can create your now you need another layer of furniture, right? But you don't have a layer of furniture here.
Yes, sir.
Now
No, sir.
you can click on your layer properties and create a new layer and named as furniture. Right? And specify the color for the furniture line. click on OK. And here see, these are all the continuous, because all the lines are on center line. So now you can import. So I don't have any furniture. I am just inserting from the command from here. House designer. Wow. So here we have the bed. You just double click on the bed, click on OK, and you paste it. But there is a I draw this plan with any
Okay.
without any scale. You just
So where did you brought that from, sir? Furniture
from
bed.
the from we there is a folder of design center. The next topic I
Okay.
told you in the blocks. This is
Okay.
a topic from the blog.
Okay. Later you're going to say about it.
Yes, yeah, of course. So you can place your furnitures like this. Now this is your big. So like this you can place your furnitures like this. From here and here also. Right? So like this you can place your all the, so this is in the furniture layers. Select all the and select your furniture layer like this. Similarly, you create a door also in the door layer, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So you can create your layers and how you can know how to draw it from the layers,
Yes, sir.
right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
So see, what is the benefit to draw in the layers? So first benefit is to reduce the complexity, right?
Yes, sir.
Second benefit is if you want to remove all the furnitures, you can hide your furniture because you paste all the things in your one plan for your
Yes.
electricity and for your furniture and for your lighting, right? So this
Yes.
is the very complete figure. If you want to hide your furniture, you can go and select your furniture and click on this. Turn a layer on or off.
Okay.
You just click on this bulb. See, all the furniture will hide.
Okay.
If you want to return it back, you just go and on this layer like this.
Okay.
If you don't want to see your dimensions, go to the off layer from here also and click on your dimensions.
Same, both are same, sir.
Yes, both are same.
Instead of going to layers, we can do there only.
Yes, or you can turn on all the layers like this. So
Okay.
this is the off option and this is your on option.
Oh, no.
So similarly we have isolate. Isolate means if you want to highlight only the one layer.
Okay.
Now if you want to work on the wall layer only, you can select your wall layer and click OK. See, all the layers except the wall is hide.
Okay.
So you can draw walls easily. if you are facing any problem in the presence of your all the elements, by this command you can hide all the layers. You can have only one active layer. See, all the bulbs are off, only one bulb is on, wall line.
Okay. Which option is that, sir?
This
Third one.
option is isolate,
Isolate. Okay.
or you can unisolate. You can just click on the unisolate and all the layers will as it is.
Okay.
Now, second one is third one, freeze and unfreeze option.
Freeze.
Freeze and unfreeze. Freeze means
Okay.
it is a temporary hide.
Okay.
On or off is the permanent hide, but
Okay.
on or off is the temporary hide. Freeze or unfreeze. Sorry.
So in detail, like temporary.
Yes, I am going to tell you in the detail. Temporary means if you want to print out your plan, if
Okay.
you turn off any layer, that layer not come in your printout.
When you do off.
If you do, you just turn off your any layer.
Okay.
It means this will hide from the screen, and as well as you can't take printout of that layer.
Okay, sir.
So that layer not come in your printout until you turn it on.
Okay.
Now in freeze or unfreeze, in freeze you can hide from your screen, right? Or you want to take printout. The dead layer will come in your printout,
Okay.
right?
Tell me once again. In freeze.
If your layer is turned off, if any
Okay.
layer is your turn off,
Okay.
so that object from that layer, all the objects from that layer all hide from your screen,
Okay.
and as well as you can't take print out of your plan. If you want to take print out of your plan, that layer which is turned off will not come in your printout,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
But in the freeze, you can hide your object from the screen. It's the same as the on or off. But
Okay.
if you want to take printout, all
Okay.
the layers which are freeze will come in your project printout.
Okay.
So that's the
In freeze.
difference. Yes, tell me, Grish.
In freeze, if we do hide also, in printout it will be shown,
Yes,
but not in any other options
yes,
like isolate in that.
yes. Isolate is a different thing,
Okay.
but if you are compare it with from the on or off,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
right? Now the next option is lock or unlock. Lock or unlock means if you want to fix your objects, you can click on your lock button and click on the layer. See, my wall is locked and diminished. So in the lock position, you can't copy, you can't move, or
Edit.
yes, you can't. This is not
You
editable,
can't edit. Sir. You can't edit.
or you even not delete it.
Okay. Like on, off, or delete. You can't do
Yes,
anything.
you can't do anything about after the lock.
Okay. We can't alter it also.
Sorry.
We can't alter it also, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
You can just unlock, and it will become the editable.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. This is the match layer. I told you earlier also. Yes.
Yes.
You can match the layer of any two objects. If you have a circle in the text layer, now if you want to change it into the furniture layer, so you can take the match layer option, click on the circle, press enter, and click on your furniture. So see, the my object is converted into furniture layer,
Oh, okay.
right? The next option is make current. Make current means my current layer is
One.
Text.
a text.
Text.
So you can click on the make current and click on the furniture. The my current layer become furniture, right?
Yeah.
So this is the options from the layer.
So what is
So
the use of make current?
if you can go here and change the layer to draw
Yeah.
object, right?
Yes.
Sir, any shortcut of make layer?
Make current.
Make current.
Uh, that shortcut is LAYMCUR.
Okay, sir.
LAYMCUR. Right?
Yes, sir. Then the
Okay. So see, now this is your property options. In the property, you can see a color is bilayer, line weight is bilayer, and line type is bilayer. It means it follow the layer
Layer
properties.
property.
If you want to change accept from the layers, so this circle is drawn into the furniture layer.
Okay.
So you can change it, change the property of your circle. You can see the circle is become in the yellow color, but
Yeah.
this circle is drawn into the furniture layer.
Yeah.
Okay.
So directly you can change the color, line type or line weight from the property object. This is called as the object properties.
Okay.
For take an example, in your phone you have your profiles, right?
Yeah.
In profile you can set your vibration, your message tune on, and your call tune and your volume, right?
Yes.
So you have any call, the ringtone will ring as per your defined in your profile, right?
Okay.
But if you want assign a ringtone at any contact, right?
Okay.
You go to the property of that contact and you can have option to assign the your another tune, right?
Yes.
Similarly, you can assign the property of object from here also directly.
Okay.
It will apply on your particularly object which you are going to select.
Okay.
After that, you can, it will already become in your by layer.
Fine.
If you select the color directly, so you can draw in any layer, the color follow this one. Your layers will not work. So here should be a, you if you want to follow your layers, so here should be set as by layer. Understand?
Yeah.
So this is your layers and your properties.
Sir,
So
if we
you,
have a ready plan, sir, if we have a ready plan,
yes,
as we drawn 2 days before,
yes,
we can change layer of that plan.
yes.
So
First,
first we have to mention the all the new layers, no, sir?
yes,
For wall, for door, windows.
yes, yes.
Okay.
And one by one you select your objects
Okay.
and select
And
your layers,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
So,
Yes.
We have 4 furnitures,
Yes.
and the furniture is we have applied it in a blue color. No,
Yes.
like for that 4 furnitures, we can assign different color.
Yes.
Is it like that?
If you change the color in your layer directly, go to the layer properties and change your color from here also. So all
Okay.
the furniture color will
With-
change automatically. See,
Okay.
now
Fine.
if you want to change your particular object color,
Okay.
so you can change it from here also.
Okay. Fine.
See, no, sorry, just select your furniture. uh, the color is not changed. It will become in green color also, but here is show it from this will not have. See, text color is changed, but
Yeah.
your furniture color, because this is the made up of your block, that's why the color is not changed.
Okay.
This
Right.
The furniture is inserted from the block. You can first explode it, and now the color will change automatically. See,
Fine.
which
We
are
have.
defined here,
Okay.
right?
Okay. Got it.
Any other question?
So we can
No.
change the full wall color in property.
Yeah, you can, but you have to select all the walls first. If you select the one line segment, only the color of your one line segment will change from your properties.
Okay.
Any other question?
Sir, how to resize our arrowheads?
How to?
Resize our arrowheads.
You can
In
go to
dimension.
in the dimension.
Yes, sir.
Press D enter in the command window. Click on the modify and go to the symbol and arrows. Here is the arrow size. You can change the arrow size from here. Similarly, you can
Okay.
change the text size from the text. Right?
Okay.
Okay. Next. Next question, please.